And hello my friend, this is second video about project ZOROG, and first of all I want to thank you for watching my worklog, and I hope you like how I do it. And how you can see, I work on water cooling parts. This is two AK water block D5 pumps. I montage and assemble it with a single loop. Yes, this is adapted for single loop. I must use two pumps because I have three restricted area, two GPU and one CPU. I use that pump in project Odyssey. I don't need new because this is very good pump, and not have a lot of work in project Odyssey. I have this idea about refurbishing hardware from previous project to new project, and I think this is good idea. Not need new parts all time. And again, in this project I use radiator 420 from EKWB water blocks. This is very good radiator. I think this is enough for two GPUs and one CPU. I also use Vardar fans. This is very good fans with very good air pressure. You can see how I assembled this fans, and this is combo. Yeah, this is pumps and radiator together. Prepare for assembly. I must assemble this because I need some measurement for aluminum stuff. You can see in next part. And I go to project some aluminum sheets for case. Yes, I work in AutoCAD. This is very good. And I go to pick up finished sheets. In this time I want to thank you, Sasha Obradovic and Cut Steel, for help me to make this stuff. Yes, the 2 millimeters aluminum, and we are doing bending some angled, few 90 degrees for few 45 degrees. This is very big machine, yes. This is all parts. I brush by hand and prepare. This is Vandal switch, power and reset, and go to assembling case. This is front of the case and holder for custom reservoir. This is holder for PCU, also mask for some stuff behind this. I took the measure for hole, yeah. This is cover for many cables. This is top of the case. I use original I/O panel for C700P. And This is holder for radiator and some stuff, electronic and a hard disk. Also, these parts make a case stronger. On the bottom of the case I assembled two EKWB fans with RGB because I need some air, more air in the case, and some lights in this area. Also in this bracket I will assemble the pumps, and this is it. This is all assembled. Enjoy! And this is all for this video. I finished construction. Everything fit perfectly, really. Pump in the place, radiator, power supplies, everything work and everything is a right place. After this I go to powder coat in aluminum and slowly put hardware in. Montage, assembling water cooling parts on GPU blocks and processors. After this I go to make acrylic tube, but in this moment I think I go to brass tube with nickel plate. I don't know, this is for now my idea, but maybe will change. You can see all my work for now on previous parts, but I have a lot of work. I must work on the exterior of this case. I must paint every mask and made some stuff and grills or something like that. And this is all. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me.